Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're like me and my husband, we always have to have blankets when we sit on the couch. I love this one that I got from RECYCO. It is such a pretty color. I got sage green and it is just gorgeous. The yarn is really soft and it just makes you want to snuggle up on the couch and do nothing all day. You can see that my husband loves to use it when he takes naps on the couch, which is actually pretty often. It covers his whole body. He's 6 foot, so that gives you an idea of how big the blanket is. He also loves to use it when we're watching TV or playing video games, and I have to battle him for it because it is so soft. It's one of our favorite blankets. The blanket washed really well. I put it through my washing machine just on a regular cycle, and then I put it in on my clothes dryer on low, and it came out really well. No fading of color, no stretching, no pilling. We like to use it on our couch, but also it fits well on our bed or on any chair that we have in the house. I think that the ribbing on it is really pretty, not just on the edges, but throughout the blanket, having that kind of stripe. It really breaks it up and makes it unique. So if you're looking for a great blanket that you can curl up on the couch with or use as a pretty accent piece, then I say get this one from RECYCO. Just lean into relaxation, and that's my point of view.